Hi guys, Ray here. On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-increase or mag-adjust ng transaction limits natin sa BPI online app. Let's log in on the app. Tapos, first of all, try muna natin mag-transfer. Go to transfer. Let's try to another bank. Select our transfer from. Tapos, transfer to account. And then, input the amount. Say 100,000 pesos. Makita nyo, it says here, the amount you entered exceeds your daily transaction limit. So, balik tayo. Then, let's go to more. General settings. And then, dito tayo sa baba. Customize transaction limits. Makikita nyo dito that our total allowed limit is 500,000 pesos. And ang existing limit natin is 210,000. So, pwede natin i-allocate yung 500,000 limit na yan. Send money to any BPI account, send money to other banks via InstaPay, send money to other banks via PesoNet, load e-wallet, prepaid phone and utilities using BPI, and others. So if you click this, for example, si InstaPay, transfer money to other banks in real time of up to 50,000 pesos per transaction. Higher limits in the transaction will allow multiple InstaPay transfers. So let's take note of that, okay? So, dito natin pwedeng i-increase yung limit. From 50,000, gawin natin 100,000 pesos. And then, click Save. So, for the others, pwede nyo din gawin yan. Now that save, makikita nyo dito, 260,000 na yung existing limit natin. We'll also receive a text message alerting us about the change. So, balik tayo sa app. And then, let's try to transfer again. Click transfer to another bank. Select account transfer from. Select account transfer to. And then, the amount. So, kung iti-try natin 100,000 pesos, still, we got this error. We have exceeded the maximum amount for transfers to the selected transfer service. Remember yung sinabi ko earlier, it says kasi doon 50,000 pesos ang limit per transaction. So if you're going to send an amount higher than that, kailangan multiple transfers. Hindi porket transaction limit nilagay natin is 100,000, we can already send 100,000 per transaction. So, gawin natin dito, 50,000 pesos. Continue. And then, confirm. Ayan, makikita nyo na successful yung pag-transfer natin. So, if we want to transfer another 50,000 pesos, pwede natin gawin yan. New transfer. Again, select your from account, your to account, and then select 50,000 pesos. Now that we changed our transaction limit to 100,000, magiging successful yung transaction. Okay? As you can see here. So to show you, let's try again from the same amount to the same amount, and then let's try to send 50,000 again. Ayan. Nag-error. Kasi ang maximum lang natin is 100,000. So, kung pupunta tayo dito sa accounts, makikita niyo yung transaction history natin. And you can see here that we've successfully transferred 100,000 pesos just in one day. I hope you learned something on this video. If you guys want to know kung paano mag-transfer to BPI online, check this out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!